Hello, my beautiful people. So welcome back to the channel again. 𝐼𝐚𝐴 here. Today, we're going to do an amazing, it's like you are shocked. Oh, okay. So today we're going to do an amazing hot oil treatment for my Didi here. And this is from my ebook, The Best 24 DIY Natural Recipes. Guys, it's an amazing book. So if you haven't gotten your hand on one, then you are missing out. So I'm just trying to massage the dirt, I should say, off the scalp before we start the treatment. So what I have done with this ebook is, people love DIY treatment, but one thing is, if you don't take care or if you don't really know what you are putting on your scalp and your hair, you can infect your scalp with bacteria and fungi, especially because these DIYs use a lot of food ingredients, I should say, on the hair and scalp. So what I have done is gone through every step with my expertise in formulating products, bottled products for over 14 years now. What I have done is, from your treatment to your wash, as in rinsing out your hair and everything is catered for. So your scalp the scalp pH is maintained. It's very, very important we do that. So this recipe in the ebook I'm talking about, which will be on the screen, is the Moringa clove recipe. If you found this a bit drying, which it shouldn't, but because there's olive oil in it, but maybe you might find it a bit drying. And this is because Moringa itself, as in the Moringa oil, is a bit drying. That's what I've tried. I've tested it, and I have noticed that it's a bit drying. But when you make the Moringa oil yourself, which is not really the potent Moringa oil, that is a bit softening. So some people or someone can say, oh, I've used Moringa oil and it's very softening. You need to ask what type of Moringa oil. For the real Moringa oil, I found it a bit drying. And I mean, it's not surprising because some oils are drying and it's fine. It's just that when you are doing or treating your hair, normally with black hair, we need the emollients or the slip or a little slip or softening, in the oils or the products that we use, so it can help detangle the hair easily. This oil can be used on children and can also be used on yourselves. By me smoothing her hair, all I'm doing is trying to take out tangles. But because we straightened her hair, I mean, it's not really tangled. It helps us a lot when we curl form her hair and also do the yarn. On wash day, it becomes so easier than just doing twists on hair, just freshly washed hair. Obviously, the hair twists up and curls and all that. So more hair, because you need to make sure that you are saturating the hair with oil, not so overloaded, because I mean the amount of hair the oil that will go into the shaft, and this is even if it will go in there. So maybe you're using health treatment oil, which is not even penetrating your hair shaft. So all you're doing is it's just lying on the shaft. That's why you need to use the right oils to penetrate the shaft because not everything penetrates or goes into your hair shaft. So if you know the right oils, the right things that help penetrate your scalp, but then at the end of your wash day, you are able to close the cuticles, then you are good to go. It means the treatment you are doing is working. So see what I've done? I haven't saturated it too much, but I see some sheen on the hair, and I'm just stretching it with my fingers. The part where I can't glide through, it's fine, because the next step, I'm going to use a leave-in conditioner to just take out more, how do you call it? This is what I call the YouTube brain freeze. So trying to take out tangles with my fingers. Be gentle with the hair, because our hair is so precious. And when you're gentle with it, when you love it, it's going to love you back. So this is what we have here. I will saturate it a bit more with water, and that's what I'm going to do to the whole hair. And then today's treatment, though we've done hot oil treatment, for the start, I am going to apply Ayurvedic herbs, which will be in another video, guys. So after going through everything, make sure to twist it up. But you know what? I haven't finished with moisturizing, because see, I can see this part. There's a part here which hasn't got enough oil. So, and the more the emollients of the oils, or one or two of the oils, it helps to glide the hair. It helps you to glide through the hair so easily. So my leave-in conditioner, goes on. See, this leave-in conditioner is just a balm. It's just a, how do you call it? What's the word to use? Is help me out. It's what? Wicked. Yeah, it's wicked. Like wicked zinga, whatever. Zinga beggar. So after your hot oil treatment, you can choose not to put any other thing after applying your leave-in conditioner. You can also gradually, if the hair is soaked a bit, gradually you can detangle the hair gradually. It depends on the hair texture. Note that, because not every hair texture is receptive to you combing it when it's not soaking wet. So yeah, so you twist it up loosely, because we don't want the hair to shrink, and it's not going to shrink. So it's not going to shrink. Hair shrinkage is normal, but this is just a mindset affirmation that I use. That's a tip for you there. So yeah, so this is what I've gotten here. I'm going to do everything on the hair, and then cover it with shower cap on top of it. And yeah, it'll stay in for about 20 minutes and go to the shower. We use our conditioner to go through. The shampoo comes in the shower, and that's a different way of using shampoo. That is how I've taught women for all these years, and it works for them. And that will be in another video. So when you get into the shower, you do whatever thing you have to do. Detangle more, be gentle with your hair. Don't just put the comb in, work with your hands first, and then you are good to go. So that's how you do the hot oil treatment, guys. Let me know if you have any questions on how to grow, whatever thing you're going through. If you want to know more, let me know, and I'll make a video on that for you. So it's Joe here, and we'll see you in another video. Love you guys. Thank you.